HMNZS Aotearoa is now ready to sail from Devonport Naval Base. We're going to head to Tonga to provide aid where and when required. Over the last 24 hours we've worked together with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and Trade and a whole lot of other agencies that bring together over 7 containers worth of stores. And that includes water containers, storage facilities for water. It includes generators, petrol containers, a whole lot of stuff that will hopefully get them up and running. HMNZS Wellington is an offshore patrol vessel. She sailed with a helicopter, with divers and a survey team. They're racing ahead now to get into Nuku'alofa Harbour so that they can survey the harbour entrance, so they can survey the wharfs to allow us and other ships to come alongside to provide aid should it be needed. Aotearoa is a purpose-built replenishment ship that has been designed to provide supply and aid where and when it's required. We can do that from everywhere from the equator down to the Antarctic. For the people of Tonga, we're heading their way now with a whole lot of water. The ship currently holds over 250,000 litres of water, and we'll be able to provide that once we arrive. And then every day thereafter we're going to be producing another 70,000 litres of water that we can then put ashore